All right, so Google has just unleashed a massive wave of AI updates across pretty much everything they do, and some of these are absolute game changers. In this explainer, we're going to cut right through the noise and show you the most important new tools and features that you can actually start using today. Okay, so here's the plan. First, we're going to look at how AI can now create entire videos for you from scratch. Then we'll dive into your upgraded creative toolkit. After that, we'll see how AI is becoming a musician. Then we'll cover the rise of AI agents, the things that will automate your work. And finally, we'll peek under the hood at Google's powerful new thinking models. So let's kick things off with what is, without a doubt, the single biggest update. This is a feature that feels like it's pulled straight out of a science fiction movie. And unbelievably, it's already live inside Google's NotebookLM. Yep, you heard that right. It is exactly what it sounds like. You can upload your source material, things like articles, research notes, reports, and this brand new system will analyze all of it and then generate a complete 5-minute cinematic video explaining the topic. And I'm not talking about some simple slideshow. This is a fully produced video created from the ground up by AI. So how does this magic actually work? Well, the tech behind it is called an agentic video model. Now, that sounds super technical, but the key thing to understand is that this isn't just one single AI doing everything. It's much smarter than that. Think of it more like an AI director, an agent that reads your documents, comes up with a script and a visual style, and then acts like a project manager, handing out specific jobs to a whole team of specialized AIs. And this is the crucial part, this 4-step process. First, the agent analyzes your stuff. Then, it designs the whole video structure. And then it starts delegating. It uses Gemini 3 Pro for really complex code-based animations, an image model they're calling Nano Banana for visuals, and a video model called V3 for footage. But honestly, this last step is what makes it so powerful. It runs a self-critique loop. It literally watches its own work to find and fix its own mistakes. And this right here shows you exactly why that matters. A normal video AI trying to animate a historical map would probably just guess and make a mess of it. But because Gemini 3 Pro is actually writing code to create the animation, it can achieve a level of factual precision that was impossible before. It can accurately visualize history or data or really complex processes. Okay, next up, let's move on from that single mind-blowing video feature and look at the broader creative toolkit that Google has seriously upgraded. These are new ways for you to create incredible visuals and even entire marketing campaigns, practically from scratch. For image generation, Google just dropped a major update to its model, which, they're calling it Nano Banana 2. This is a huge deal, especially if you're on the free plan, because you now get 20 high-quality images a day. The key difference here is really speed and style. Nano Banana 2 is twice as fast and gives you this really polished cinematic look. The Pro version, on the other hand, is a bit slower, but it's better for that raw, super realistic feel. Oh, and if you need to put text in your images, Nano Banana 2 is now by far the one to use. Back inside NotebookLM, they've added some fantastic quality of life updates that just make everything easier. You now have style presets for your infographics, everything from professional bento grids to creative sketches or even anime style. And maybe best of all, you can now edit the slide decks it creates just by using simple text commands. No more fiddling around, just tell it to fix a title or change some text. It's a massive time saver. Then there's this tool called Pomelli, which is a total game changer for anyone doing marketing or e-commerce. You can literally just take a casual photo of a product with your phone, and it will generate an entire professional photo shoot for you. From there, you can edit those photos just by typing commands like remove the lid, and then turn your favorite shots into a full animated marketing campaign in just minutes. I mean, this could save small businesses thousands of dollars on photography. Okay, so we've covered visuals. Now let's pivot to sound. Google has made a really serious move into music generation with a powerful new model they're calling Leah 3. You can get to Leah 3 in 2 main ways. Inside the Gemini app, it's perfect for just whipping up quick 30-second clips to have fun with. But the real power is in the dedicated producer AI platform. In there, you can generate full-length songs, and then, and this is the incredible part, you can edit them with natural language. You can literally just tell it, make the beat darker, or add more fiddle chaos, and it will remix the entire track for you. It's wild. So we've covered AI that makes video, images, and now music. It's just an incredible amount of new creative power at our fingertips. But I get it. It can also feel a little bit overwhelming, trying to figure out how to actually use all this stuff effectively. If you're feeling excited by this and you want to go from just knowing about these tools to really mastering them, I'd love to invite you to check out our online community. It's a place where we bring together a bunch of like-minded people to get hands-on with all this new AI. We offer both group and one-on-one instruction to really help you get skilled and get ahead. If that sounds like your thing, all the details are right there in the description below. Okay, let's switch gears. We've talked about using AI as a creative tool. Now let's talk about using it as an autonomous assistant. This is what people mean when they talk about the rise of AI agents. So what exactly is an AI agent? Well, unlike a simple chatbot that just answers one question at a time, an agent is a whole system. It can understand a big, high-level goal you give it, figure out all the steps it needs to take to get there, and then manage multiple AI models to get the job done for you, all on its own. To make that feel a bit more real, just look at what a powerful AI agent can do. The source we're looking at here uses the example name Manus. You could give it a single command, like research a topic for me, and it could go out and analyze YouTube comments, scour Reddit for what customers are complaining about, generate images and B-roll for a video, and then compile all of that into a single interactive report. You can even package that entire process into a reusable skill to run it again later with just one click. And this isn't some far-off concept. Google is building its own agents directly into the products you already use. New features like auto-browse in Chrome can actively search websites for you, and new automations in Google Workspace Studio can handle all those routine tasks across your emails, sheets, and documents, acting like a true digital assistant. All right, and finally, let's look under the hood at the engines that are powering all of this amazing new stuff. Google has released two powerful new core models that are a major upgrade to the AI's brain. This table breaks down the two new brains. The way to think about it is, Gemini 3 Deepthink is like the specialist for incredibly complex reasoning. You'd use it for analyzing dense legal contracts or scientific papers. But for most people on paid plans, the really big upgrade is Gemini 3.1 Pro. It's much, much faster, and it's now the engine for your most difficult tasks, like writing code, building a business plan, or running one of those AI agents we just talked about. Learning which of these AI brains to use for which task is really the key to getting great results. If you want to go deeper and learn how to leverage this new power in your own work and your own projects, our community is the perfect place to do it. As I mentioned before, the link to join is right in the description. So we've seen AI that can direct a video, design a marketing campaign, write a song, and research an entire topic from scratch. It's pretty amazing. So the big question I want to leave you with is this. With all this new power at your fingertips, what is the very first complex task you are going to hand over?